Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show new things in Solidworks. So this is our uh, fourth lesson of the Solidworks. So going to create a new part. Okay. So first of all, I will create a sketch. So I'm creating a sketch in the top plane. I'm creating a random sketch uh, just for an example. So creating a random sketch, let's make it a circle. I have made a circle. Okay, now finish this sketch and I am creating another sketch which will be used for extruding this circle. So I'm creating another sketch. I may create in a front view, I may create in the right plane. So making it normal to the screen. So I'm selecting a line and I intentionally creating it at some angle. So I created this. Press escape button to deactivate the command. So okay, now the main thing I was going to show you to how to extrude a sketch in some direction. So for this I'm going to features, selecting the extrude boss and selecting the sketch. I have selected the wrong sketch. I have to select this sketch and going to extrude boss. So by default it will extrude normal to the sketch plane, but when I want to extrude it in some direction, so I will click here and will select the direction. So when I select this, so it is extruding in this direction. So I want to extrude it till this. I can also increase the height from this region, but if I want to extrude it till this, so I can select up to the vertex, and after that I'm selecting this vertex, so it is extruded till that vertex. So the main focus was on extruding something at some angle. This extrude command is useful when we extrude straight things in at some angle, but when we want to extrude something curved or something on a curved line, so for which sweep is the best option. So okay, now I'm going to create I'm extruding this, I'm deleting this extrude and I'm creating another sketch which will be in front plane maybe. Okay, and I'm creating a random shape of a curve. So I want to extrude that circle on this curve surface. So for this I can use sweep boss button. So when I click, So it's asking me for a profile which will be swept on the path. So whenever I click here, so it is asking for a profile. So this is our profile circle, if you see it, and this is our path on which it will be extruded. So looks how good it's looking. So you can create shapes, different curved shapes like this with these commands. So I am deleting all these things and going to all the other options. I'm deleting all this. Okay, delete it. Now creating a new sketch, probably in the right top line, and creating a rectangle. I have created a rectangle and I am extruding it a little bit, 30, 40, 50, okay, 80. That's enough. Now I want to make a hole in this. So how I will create a hole in this? So first of all, I have to sketch on some plane. So I'm for which I selected top plane, and I will make some, as many things you can draw, you can make that holes in it. Which shape do you like? So no restriction on that. So I have created a sketch. Now I want to create a hole in it. The same options are available here for the extrude cut option, and you can give its dimension, you can give whatever you want, direction, screw line up to the surface, and so and many things you can do with that. Let me clear one thing. I'm by default it was a straight structure. I'm giving some dot angle for changing the direction. So if I can see now the direction is changed, and whenever I go to this extrude cut and I give some direction to it, if I want to extrude cut this object in this direction, so it will be now cut down in that direction. You can select through all. Now if I can see the hole is not straight. The hole is not straight. If it was straight, the surfaces wouldn't be seen. So these are some concepts you can do with extrude cut option. Please like the video and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thank you.